Welcome to LOOkX YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the dinner date look. So first up, I'm using the 4-in-1 Protection Primer. This is going to hydrate, protect your skin from the sun and protect your skin from any makeup sitting in open pores and fine lines. After that, I'm using the Silky Touch foundation with the foundation brush. I'm working from the bottom half of my face and working my way up. This is a nice fragrance-free formula, so great for sensitive skin. It gives you a full coverage but with a natural glowy finish with light reflecting pigments. Afterwards, I'm using the concealer to get rid of any discoloration and dark circles under my eyes. Very soft, creamy, hydrating formula, so it's going to blend in seamlessly, and I'm blending it out with the foundation brush. Now, after my concealer, I like to set my foundation and concealer in place with the Natural Velvet Mineral Powder. This is a really finely milled powder and gives your skin a velvet texture and gets rid of all unwanted shine. Step 2, I like to use the Chocolate Brown Eyebrow Pencil. This is an amazing formula and it's easy to use because it has a nice precise tip to the pencil, and on the other side is a wand so you can brush through your hairs and keep a nice neat looking eyebrow. I like to carve out the top to begin with and then repeat underneath, and I always go in the same direction as my brow hairs growing. This way you can get a really nice natural finish. Moving on to the eyes, so now I'm using the creamy eyeshadow in colour Desert. This is a waterproof formula, so it stops from creasing and smudging and helps make your eye makeup last for much longer. It's a nice creamy formula and it just glides on easily. Now over the top of that, I'm using 121 Espresso Matte eyeshadow with the blender brush, and I'm creating more of a soft smoky effect to give my eyes definition and give that smouldering look. This blends in really easily, as you can see, and the colours look amazing together. I'm repeating with the same Espresso Matte eyeshadow on my lower lash line to give a nice smudgy effect. This will make my eyes look bigger. After that, I'm using the exclusive eyeliner in number 7, Deep Black Matte. This is a creamy formula, so I'm going to work with this nice and easily and nice and quick, and I'm creating a line across my lash line. Now in my waterline, I'm actually going to be using number 8, Chocolate Brown. I love the contrast between the black and the brown. It really makes your eye colour pop, and again doesn't irritate your waterline because it's a soft texture. Now I love my lashes, so mascara is super important. This is the Boost Plus Mascara. This is a waterproof mascara, so it's going to stay on without any smudging, but I didn't even need to curl my lashes, and look at the boost and lift I have. Powder bronzer duo, so you have bronzer on one side and blush on the other with a cosmetics mirror to give your skin a pop. Now finishing off the look with the number 25 Metallic Rose Pearl lipstick. I'm firstly using the Precision brush, which is the lip brush from LOOkX. This is going to give me a nice precise look across my lip shape, and then I'm going straight in with the lipstick on top for more coverage. This beautiful metallic pearl pinky rosy tone on my lips, and it's going to hydrate them all evening long because it has beeswax in there, and that way your lips are going to look nice, fresh and plump. So thanks for watching this tutorial, and remember to like and subscribe and keep looking out for all our other makeup tutorials. Thanks for watching.